What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got a very special unboxing. Before we get to the unboxing though, make sure that you subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Also make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at RealSethFowler. Just to let you guys know, we're finally in the home stretch of the Off-White Nike Presto giveaway. This giveaway ends on September 6th, which is tomorrow. So if you haven't entered this giveaway, make sure to do so by clicking the link in the description below. This giveaway is my way of thanking you guys for being so supportive of the channel and helping me get to 250,000 subscribers, which is an unbelievable milestone that I never actually thought I was gonna get to. And obviously, if it wasn't for you guys, it never would have happened. So with that in mind, it's actually kind of fitting that I got this package today. This is actually a package from Adidas. It's not from like their PR department. It's not something that they sent me and didn't tell me was coming. It's actually something that I ordered maybe about 2 weeks ago. When I open it, you guys will understand, but I'm really excited about it. To be honest though, I never got a shipping confirmation, so this could be a surprise package from Adidas PR, but I kind of doubt it. So without further ado, let's open this guy up and see what we've got. I'm not doing my usual 2-camera setup because obviously I know what this is gonna be, and I know there's probably just shoes in here, so it's not gonna be like any crazy surprises, at least not for me. I really hope this turned out nicely because, to be honest with you guys, I've never done a MiAdidas before, so I'm really interested to see how this came out. So there we go. Inside the box, you've got your Adidas tag. I'm sure by the size of the box, you guys have some idea of what this could be. Okay, we've got a white box with some nice gray glossy detailing, which I think is kind of cool. No size tags though. Oh, you know what? Actually, I have done MiAdidas before. I did the MiAdidas Ultra Boost from back like maybe a year or two ago. Those ones didn't have tags either. In fact, those ones weren't even regular Ultra Boost boxes. But I've never actually done a pair of shoes like this before, so this is kind of interesting. So I'm gonna do the usual unboxing thing and show you guys first, get your reactions first, and then I'll take a look. Here we go. Was it cool? Was it paper? It's just paper. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. Nice. It says Adidas down there in the bottom left-hand corner. That's pretty cool. Let's put this guy off to the side. Okay, I know what these are. I'm seeing them already. Are there stickers in here too? No, it's a receipt. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the receipt. I'm really excited about this, guys. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna open it for you guys first. Pull them out. How they look? Okay. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. These look a little janky. Just a little janky. They looked a lot better online. Oh man, okay, well, here are the 250,000 subscriber Adidas Adilettes. I shouldn't have gone with this suede, man. That is not as clean in person. Hey, you know what? At the end of the day, I'm still happy I have these. This is still a great reminder of this crazy milestone that you guys helped me reach. I don't hate them. Not in love. So obviously I got these guys in that YouTube color, and you guys helped me design these on the live stream that I did when I hit 250,000 subscribers, so thank you guys for that. It's not your fault that they turned out like this. I tried to also buy a pair of Epic Reacts that we had designed together, but you know, they were all sold out. So this is the only pair that I was actually able to grab. The wrinkles in the material aren't ideal, I'll say that. Let me try these on really quick, see how they look on feet. Could be better. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I got a discount. I used Honey, and I got like, what was it, $7 off, so they ended up being like 40 bucks. So it's not terrible for a custom pair of slides. So I'm not mad at that. They're not bad, they're not bad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I wonder if I had gone with leather, these would have looked nicer. Since YouTube doesn't give you a plaque at 250,000, I thought this would be a really cool way of sort of commemorating the milestone. If you guys were in the live stream or saw the live stream at all, you know that the original colorway was gonna be black and gold, which I think would have come out a little bit tacky, and someone suggested doing the YouTube colors, and I don't really have any red slides. I have a pair of pink Sandal Boy slides and then a pair of Adidas slides, and the more I look at these, the more I'm like, if these had been in black and gold, probably would have come out a little bit worse. But I know this is sort of like a short random video, and it probably wasn't what you were expecting, and honestly it wasn't exactly what I was expecting either. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't entered the 250K subscriber giveaway for the Off-White Prestos, where did they go? Here they are. Again, the giveaway ends tomorrow, so if you haven't done it yet, make sure to do it ASAP. I'd love to know your thoughts on these interesting looking Adilette slides. So make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.